In this video, I will show you how to repurpose some waste yarn from this to this. Welcome back to Palmeri Arts and Crafts YouTube channel. I probably mentioned before, but I tend to hold on to those waste yarn thinking it will be useful for something. There is a vase and a jar of waste yarn in my room waiting to be used someday. If you relate, leave the yarn emoji in the comment below. Today, I want to share a fun way to finally get rid of those waste yarn. I've been busy knitting and felting wine glass and can koozies for the last couple of months. As I was planning to add some designs by needle felting, I faced the challenge of finding the perfect colored carded wool. That's when I realized that some waste yarn is 100% wool and had once been carded wool. So, if I undo the spinning, can it go back to that form? So here's what I did. All I used for this experiment was a pet wire brush. You can find the brush at any pet store, unless you'd like to use an expensive actual hand carding tool. Personally, expensive tools are not necessary if I am doing a little project like this. I happen to have a new brush that I bought for my cat, and it was still unused, so I decided to give it a try. I found this brush to be particularly useful since the bottom of the brush moves up. It makes it so easy to remove the fibers. I got it for about $2 on Temu. If you are interested, the link is listed down below. When selecting the fiber, make sure that the waste yarn content is 100% wool. Otherwise, it won't felt well. There is a way to mix and create your own color too, so more waste yarn in different colors means more variations that you can make. I will show you how to mix colors later in this video, but first let's turn them into carded wool. Before using the brush, we are going to arrange the waste yarn. If the strands are too long, you can fold them in half. Then begin brushing the yarn. Think of it like detangling your hair. It's easier to start from the edge and work your way up. After brushing all the strands, remove the yarn and continue brushing until strands are gone and fluffy. If you are using this for needle felting, you don't want this to be a roving, which all the fibers are nicely brushed in the same direction. We want the wool to be tangling like carded wool, so it will felt better. You can brush in different directions to achieve that texture. By the way, if you are still with me and enjoying this video, please hit like and subscribe. I really appreciate your support to grow this channel. And these are the wool transformed using this method. Isn't it amazing? I was so excited when I finally found a way to use up all the waste yarn. As I mentioned before, we can also mix colors to create the desired colors. To mix the color, simply lay different colored wool on the brush and start brushing until they are mixed. I added some design onto the felted koozie using one of the carded wool. If you would like to learn how to needle felt onto fabric, check out this video. I hope you are as excited as I am. Happy felting! Bye!